In this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock rows in Smartsheet to prevent important information from being edited accidentally and keep your data secure. Start by opening the sheet that contains the rows you want to protect. Select the row or rows you want to lock by clicking their row numbers on the left side of the sheet. Once the rows are selected, right-click on one of the selected row numbers to open the menu. From the list of options, choose Lock Rows. Smartsheet will immediately lock the selected rows. After a row is locked, users can still view the information, but only users with the appropriate permissions, such as sheet owners or admins, can make changes to those rows. If you need to lock multiple rows at once, hold the Shift key to select a range of rows or use Ctrl or Command to select individual rows, then apply the lock to all selected rows together. To unlock a row later, simply right-click the locked row and select Unlock Rows. The row will become editable again for users with access. Locking rows is a simple way to protect completed tasks, approved data, or important project information while still allowing your team to view the sheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.